In this video, I'm going to present you a Google Chrome extension that you can use for ChatGPT and that has over 2,800 plus prompts in whichever topic you might imagine. So let me show you how to install this same extension, how to use it, and let's see some use cases. So first we are going to go to Google and we are going to write AI RPM extension. And here it is. So we are going to add to Chrome. Well, we have it. So ChatGPT launch directly, and this is what it looks like. So it's like a dashboard in the same ChatGPT, and here you have already proposition of some prompts. I think it's random. Here it is. You have 2,884 prompts for the moment. And here you have the topic. For example, if you have specific topic, can be copywriting, can be generative AI, marketing, operating systems, productivity, SEO, software application. Then let's say copywriting. And then let's say, I don't know about what we want. Whatever topic, let's say product. And then you can sort it by top, by most views, or by the latest updates. And here, as you can see, what shows off are some prompts that are exactly in the same topic. So here I have 13 prompts, basically, around copywriting and for products. And you have, I don't know, top 5 product review articles, Amazon review article for affiliate marketing, detailed product review. And what is good here, as it's based on a community, you can see how many views, how many comments, how many likes this same prompt gets. Well, let's use this one, funny t-shirts, for example. Output in English, you can use other languages. Tone emotional, if you upgrade, you can probably have different tones of writing. Writing style poetic, that's the only thing, or you have the default. So, insert a hobby. Let's put boxing. So keep in mind that the prompt is already inserted. So ChatGPT in this case doesn't need you to write the prompt because the prompt is like kind of a template already inside. So let's see something that would actually take you a bit more time to prompt ChatGPT or to teach him how to prompt for you or to create the same thing for you. So there's something that took me a bit of time to learn, and which is Midjourney prompts. So let's see what this same, well, we have to take out this to put all. So basically, we're going to teach ChatGPT to create Midjourney prompts. For people who are using Midjourney, you know already that is AI generative arts. So, well, for people that don't know what is Midjourney, I would just advise you to have a look at it and start to educate yourself a bit about AI generative arts. So Midjourney prompt generator. Okay, let's say Midjourney. Well, let's look, guys, 500k comments. That's a lot, but let's go with it. Keyword, what we want. Let's say I want AI that looks like a human taking over the world. Let's be dramatic. Let's see the prompt. Well, it's adding a lot of function. Okay, I'm going to take the first one, meanwhile it keeps writing me prompts. But guys, this is exactly how you should prompt Midjourney. So ChatGPT, in just using the keywords that I want, AI that looks like a human taking over the world, I got a prompt that is explaining and giving details and prompting another AI. I didn't have to do anything. I didn't have to learn how to prompt Midjourney. Well, I know how to prompt Midjourney, so I can say that this is a legit prompting of Midjourney. And let's give it a try. Let's see which kind of results I can have with that. So let's hop on Discord and let's go. Imagine. And we add the prompt. And let's run it. Well, guys, that's a very cool design. Imagine that I didn't have to prompt myself or think about how I could prompt. And it's more or less what I would imagine when I say an AI taking over the world. It has like the characteristic of the villain robot, humanoid shape, looking over a city. Well, that's nice. You know what? I'm going to use the same design for the thumbnail. And if you clicked and you're watching this video, you might have clicked watching this thumbnail. So you cannot deny that this is a good design. So, as I said, you can see that you have a lot of opportunities here. And don't forget that you have the research bar. So you can write whatever comes to your mind and you're probably going to find it. Also, I wanted to comment, as we used Midjourney in this video, if you are a user of it or you want to use this kind of AI art generators, but you don't want to spend money, as is the case for Midjourney. So what I use now, it was the paid version. And I found a great alternative that does a good job, as good as Midjourney. And it's free. And in the next video, I'm going to present you this gem that I found on the internet in the world of the AI generators. So guys, I hope this extension will really give you an extra boost for your productivity and results. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and let's get better with AI every day. Peace.